Hi, welcome to the series Learn Excel in 24 hours. In this video, we'll study about the floor and ceiling function. So to begin with, I set up the data headers, number, floor. For floor, we'll take the closest multiple of 2, 5 and 10, and likewise for ceiling as well. When we say floor to the closest multiple, which means we have a given number and we want to look at the closest number as a multiple of a certain number less than or equal to the given number. And when we say ceiling, we look at the closest multiple above the given number. So we set up the data headers. I use the random number function, rather the rand between function, to generate random numbers for a certain number of rows, and then using the paste special values we kind of lock in the values. First we will go to the floor function. Floor function has two input parameters. First is the number itself. In this case it is the value in A2. Second is the closest multiple, in Excel terms called significance. So when I say floor A2, 2, it will look for the closest multiple of 2 for the given number 29 less than or equal to 29. So it becomes 28. Likewise, repeat the process for 5 and 10 using the drag drop function. We bring it down across all the rows of data, and then I'm highlighting the columns in different colors so that it will be easy for us to review later. The ceiling function has the same input parameters as floor. First parameter will be the number A2 in this case, and the second parameter will be the closest multiple of significance. Floor looks at values below less than or equal to the given number. Ceiling looks at values greater than or equal to the given number. Then I'm just adding some more formatting to make the sheet visually appealing. It also helps us to review, things like formatting borders, using thin and thick borders, etc., defining header sections. But the main thing is to focus on the results so that we understand things better. Now let's say, for example, the value in cell A2, 29. If we look at the floor, closest multiple of 2 for 29 less than or equal to 29 would be 28. Floor as a multiple of 5, the closest multiple of 5 less than or equal to 29 would be 25. The closest multiple of 10, floor 10, less than or equal to 29 will be 20. Likewise, if we go to the ceiling, the closest multiple of 2 greater than or equal to 29 will be 30. Now coincidentally, the closest multiple of 5 greater than or equal to 29 is also 30, and the closest multiple of 10 greater than or equal to 29 is also 30. It's just a coincidence. Similarly, if you evaluate another example, 146, you can see for the floor, 146 itself is an even number, so the result is also 146. Floor 2. For floor 5, it will be 145, and for floor 10, it will be 140. Likewise, for ceiling, because 146 is an even number, ceiling 146 2 will end up being 146 only. Ceiling 5 will become 150, and likewise ceiling 10 will also become 150. So you can review all the examples, try a few permutations and combinations by yourself. This floor and ceiling function in terms of day-to-day life typically comes in billing of taxis, in telecom bills, etc. Thank you.